There's many times when you're improving your home, you'll find yourself in a tight spot. When driving a nail in these situations, you have to be very careful not to hit the wrong nail.
Well, in this case, we have some molding that I put up the other day. It's a very short piece that returns to the window and a little corner trim. Now, the nail in that corner and hold it is pretty difficult, so what I did in this case was just use a pair of needle nose pliers. It worked perfectly with the little pointed nose to get right into the corner. You can start the nail, then just pull away the pliers and finish nailing off. Now, if you don't happen to have a pair of pliers, you can also just use a little strip of cardboard.
You can always find a piece of cardboard laying around.
Just cut it out of a box that was laying around, and you just push the nail through. You want the nail right near the very end, and again, you use it basically the same way. Just hold it in place wherever you need it, start the nail, and you get it also, if you want to drive it all the way in, you can leave the cardboard in place and it protects the wood. Then you just pull off the cardboard and you can finish nailing it or setting the nail into the wood.
But my favorite is the pencil.
The pencil, yeah, I remember I showed you this once before. If you get a pencil with a brand new pencil with a full eraser, you just cut a little slit in it and that'll act as a clamp to hold the nail. Just cut all the way down. There we go. That holds it.
Oh,
and
perfect.
again, you can just hold it in place, start the nail, pull away the pencil, and finish hammering.